Welzie creates all of his art just like a surfboard. It starts out with surfboard foam. He'll lay fiberglass. All the color in the background is pigmented resin. It'll get a clear coat and he'll sand it. And that's when he's going to hand paint the imagery that you see here. He uses Posca paint pens. It will get a hot coat glossing and polishing. And that's how all of his artwork goes through the same process as building a surfboard. So here in the gallery, we love helping people find a perfect piece of artwork that fits their family. And sometimes you come in and you absolutely love the coral reef, but you would love to have a little bit more orange or blue or aquas, purples in there. And that's where a commission will come in. We love helping clients create an amazing art piece that fits their family, fits their home, and that really makes you smile and feel happy. We offer private commissions. This is such a fun way to create an heirloom piece that you will absolutely cherish and love. The steps of a commission include a meeting with Welzie. So typically this is on a Zoom call, or if you're here on island, we can set up a meeting in his private studio to go see where he makes the artwork and have your connection call. Within this conversation, Welzie's going to talk to you about what makes this piece so special to you, whether it's a map that he's creating, a family piece, whatever that story is. He likes to create that artwork and use all that energy from the conversation into the art piece itself. From here, that will be a 50% deposit, and based on the size and the color palettes, especially if you've been in the gallery, you're seeing all these different backgrounds. Welzie will actually create a custom background for your piece. He'll then create the imagery based on the conversation that you had. He'll create up to 3 mock-up sketches. We're going to send these back and forth to you. And it's that really fun process of being able to add and edit and create these small or big details that really make this your piece. Once you've approved the image, the mock-up sketch, Welzie will then place that on top of the background he has hand painted for you and actually start to paint with his Posca paint pens. It is so fun to watch your art piece come to life. We will send you additional images so that you have an update on what is happening in your art piece. And then you will go ahead and approve that piece. It will get a hot coat glossing and polishing. The balance is due before we do the hot coat process. That's kind of the final step. If there's anything else that needs to be edited, it needs to be done before the hot coating. This is really where we're able to put that protective layer on the artwork. It will then be shipped to you and you get to hang your brand new Welzie art piece in your home. We would love to create a commission for your family. So when you are ready, you give us a call. Aloha.